I'm Gavin, and I'm 10 years old, and I'm going to show you how to make cucumber salad. It's time to make a cucumber salad, and here are the ingredients. Here we have 2 cucumbers, a small tomato, and you see a Vidalia onion, but we're only going to use half of that. And we have 3 tablespoons of feta, 2 tablespoons of Guatemala olives, 1 teaspoon of Italian herb seasoning, some vinegar, a little oil, and a little salt to taste. If you'll excuse me for a minute, now I need to prep the foods. Okay, I'm back. I've just diced up the cucumbers. A pretty large dice. I diced the tomato, and I finally diced the onion. I'm not a big fan of raw onion flavor, so the first thing I did was add some vinegar to the onions and let them sit for several minutes. It takes the bite out. Then I poured off the onion-flavored vinegar. Next, I added all the ingredients, except for the feta cheese, and let it sit in the refrigerator to marinate. While it's marinating, I'll tell you about the vinegar. You have lots of types of vinegar to experiment with. Rice wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and red wine vinegar. My favorite vinegar is a combination between rice wine vinegar and red wine vinegar. Really makes the cucumbers taste good. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. You can marinate it for as little as 15 minutes, but it's even better if you marinate it all night. All the flavors move around to make it even better. There's lots of different ways you can enjoy this. You can enjoy it as a side dish like I'm about to. We'd like to make Mediterranean fish tacos with this as the slaw. It's delicious and healthy. There's no reason you can't enjoy healthy food too.